how to make 30 seconds transition by taking the important part of your video and play it first. So I'll just first thing to do is to go to our new. So this is our CapCut environment. So you go to your new so that you can get access to. Also, I'm not going to play this video. Okay, that's right. So this video. So let me play this video when you see. Alright, so here's what I want to do. Now I'm looking for a very okay, this particular part. Now what I want to do is, so this is the beginning of the video, but it's not that attractive. What he said here is not that attractive. So in order to hook viewers so that in the first 3 seconds they'll be interested in what they are watching. So I'll look for the most interesting part of this video. I'm going to have to cut it. So I think this part, the middle part of it, I'll have to cut it, duplicate it, then take part of it to the beginning so that they will see that part first before this particular video starts. So I'll just, first thing to do is to come here. You have to delete this. You click on delete to delete that screen. So this particular part is very attractive, right? So I'm using the mic so you might not hear what they're saying. So I'll just come here. Now I'm going to partition it. Now in order for you to partition, you know what to do. So I'm going to click on this split. Right, I'll split it from here. Alright, so I'll click on split from here. Then I'll come back here. Don't forget, it's just 30 seconds. So this is the 30 seconds now. I'll split it from here again. So I'm gonna have both split from here to here. So you can see it's just 30 seconds split. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'll scroll down to look for duplicate. Here's my duplicate here. So click on duplicate. I'll click on it and it has become 2. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hold it for long, then I'll drag it to the first. I'll drag it to the beginning. So I'm going to hold it. Right, I will drag it. Right, so let me go ahead and play the video. Now you will not discover that our first 3 seconds video. Alright, you see that our first 3 seconds video is going to start from this particular part, and this is not the beginning of the video, this is almost the ending of the video. But because this particular part is very attractive, so you are going to use this particular part to attract the people that are viewing your video. That is called the 3 seconds hook. You look for the most important part where you say something that is very controversial and you put it on the first. So this is how to do it. I know you may have watched some certain videos and this is how they create it. Let me play the video so you can see. Alright, now the main video will now start from here. Now if you scroll down, you discover that this part is still here. Alright, this part I just played is still here. Why? Because I actually duplicated it. So I split it into 2, then duplicated this particular part, then send the half of it, part of it to the front. So there are some videos you might watch online. You discover that the part that the first 3 seconds that you watched is actually at the middle of the video. This is how you go about it. Alright, so I will see you in my next class. Now if you want to if you want to save this particular video, come here and click on export. So you click on export and this video will be saved to your phone. Very easy. So I'll see you in my next class.